bando. Can escando, fire,
to the video. I'm Aisha, and in this video today, I am going to be making DIY phone cases. So if you watched my last video, which was what to do when you're bored, you would have seen that one of the things I said was like make your own phone cases, and then I showed you one of mine which I made, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how to make them, and I'm going to be making them for myself. So let's get straight on. Okay, so this is the equipment you will need for this video to make one of these. It's a pen or a pencil, some scissors, and a piece of paper, and some colours to decorate. You'll also obviously need a clear phone case and a phone. Okay, so you start off by getting your paper, pen or pencil, and your phone case. So basically, the first step to doing this is by outlining the clear phone case. Okay, so when that's done, it should kind of look like this. It obviously doesn't look the best yet, but it will sure do by the end. The next step is to design your outline, but obviously don't design inside the camera bit because we're going to cut that bit out, so just design it however you want. Okay, so finished from designing them, and it looks like this. So it's got an stand up, 2 blue dots here and a grey background, and then obviously not done the camera bit. Also, I forgot to say at the start, you don't have to use fountain pens. You can actually use paint or whatever you want to use on it to make it look better and more realistic. The thing you'll need for the next part of this is some scissors. Now with these scissors, you'll need to cut out the outline of it and then inside of the camera. So let's do it. Okay, so I've now finished cutting it all out, and it should look like this. So it's ready to go into your clear phone case. So the final step is to actually put it inside your phone case, and here it is inside my phone case, and that will go into my phone, and I'll have a brand new phone case. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe down below. If you want to see another one where I make a different design, make sure to comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!